Today is Sunday, exactly 1 week into the new year, 2024. And we are going to talk about automation and integration, more specifically, how to maximize the power of social media marketing. So the agenda for today will entail a brief description of what this use case is all about. Why is the use case useful or beneficial to you? We will also perform a demonstration on how you can use the service. We'll show you how you can access the most important pages of the website. And finally, how you can implement this on your own end. So let's get started. So my name is Chris Magas, and I'm a chief trainer, an AI expert here at Coda. I've worked on multiple use cases, including mass media marketing, search data API, investments API, among others. Career-wise, I've worked as a BI developer at Department of Health in New York, risk analyst at State Street, BI developer at Bank of America, Python developer at Citigroup, and full stack developer here at Humana. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. You can find our content on GitHub, or you can simply follow me on Instagram. So what is this use case? And who is it for? Coda recently has implemented new capabilities that allows you to broadcast your ad or multiple ads across various WhatsApp groups, simultaneously delivering your message to diverse audiences with ease. So if you are a business owner, an IT expert, a learner, or any other person, then this use case is of interest to you. So what is the idea? As most of us do, we belong to multiple WhatsApp groups. On my end, I belong to a group called Coda in the Next 100 Years, Coda Website Development, Coda Investments, Coda UI UX, Coda Data Science Training. So the basic idea is this, is you have an ad and you need the capabilities to send this ad to all these groups simply by a click of the button. And this is what we're going to demonstrate. So we'll start by running the script, which I have done, that basically fetches all the groups for which I belong. So as you can see, I belong to a group called the Balozi Baraza community, which has about 1,400 participants. I belong to another group called Diaspora County 48, with participants of about 1,255. Kenya USA Tech, Business Forum, Maximum, Tech and Tips, and so on, so forth. So as I have pointed to you, is that the idea is to generate an ad that can be posted on all these groups within a matter of seconds. So we have classified this group in various categories. Gold is any group that has between 500 participants and above. Silver is a group that has between 150 and 500 participants And basic is any group that has less than 150 members. So what you will need to do is to go ahead and create your ad. Here at Coda, we have various ads. We have one ad called Job Interview. And this is simply how to crack a data science, data analysis, or software development interview. We do have another ad called Investment, or investing rather. And this provides you with an opportunity to invest in Coda and be part of a team that is innovating the future. We have another ad called Training. And this calls on you to maximize your skills by taking an AI-enhanced project-based training. We do have another ad called Social Media Marketing. Maximize your reach, mass marketing on WhatsApp, groups, and social media. And finally, we have an ad called Innovation. This is internal innovating the future of work in Coda. So likewise, you will come to Coda and you will click on Create New Ad. What we'll then do is to provide you with a template for more information. So you will go ahead and provide a title, in our case, social media marketing. We'll then provide a catchphrase, maximize your reach, mass marketing on WhatsApp groups and social media. You'll provide the name of your company, a short name if you have one. And then what is important is you will be able to describe what your company does. For example, Coda is an IT company that specializes in automation and AI to help automate business processes and repeatable tasks, as well as improve individuals' performance, effectiveness, and efficiency in the workplace. Coda also does train and offer job support to IT professionals, specifically in business analysis and project management, ETL using tools such as Alteryx and SSIS, reporting using tools such as Power BI and Tableau, database using the tools such as SQL, Oracle, Snowflake, SAS, and Postgres, among others, software development in apps and web development. So likewise, you'll be prompted to provide a description of what your company does. You will then have an opportunity to provide your company website. You will then write a brief message or an ad message that you need to be posted. You can provide a link if you intend to meet stakeholders. You can also provide a video link for members to watch. You can sign off. And last but not least, you will be prompted to provide an image that you want to be posted alongside your ad. And finally, you can provide any links if you have any. Now, we will make your group active, which will go to all the members less than 150. All the groups with less than 150, excuse me. And we can also feature your group, which will go to all the members, including those above 500. So once you have indicated all the fields that are required, then you will add, your ad is ready for publication. So let's demo this. I do have various groups called a data science training, which will receive an ad called data analysis. I also do have a group called Coda Investments, which will receive investments ad. Automation ad will go to coder, UI, UX, and coder in the next 100 years. So this group have a total number of members, total number of participants, 17 in number. Must admit that these 17 will be the luckiest of 2024, will be the first one to receive this message. So I had earlier to publish the ads, and I will go ahead and show you. But as we had pointed out, the group coder in the next 100 years and UI UX received the innovation or automation ad. Coder investments did receive an ad called investing. And finally, data science training did receive an ad for data analysis, which simply calls upon you to maximize your skills by taking an AI-enhanced project-based training. So the question is, why is this useful? And how can it be beneficial to you? Now, in the competitive world of today, getting an edge is very paramount. By use of this service will enable you to be efficient, hence avoiding losses, saving time, and cutting costs. You will also be effective on what you do. And being effective does nothing but improve service. Most importantly, you will be able to maximize the reach of your potential customers. So in a nutshell, being competitive, being efficient, and being effective, as well as maximizing customers, is what this service will provide. So then how can you access this service? So as I pointed out, if you're a business owner, an IT expert, learners, or any other person, then you will start by signing up an account on Coder. You will then have a free access for a limited period. And if you're an IT expert, we are generating an API, a Coder API, which you can then use to implement it on your end. So if you need this to be implemented on your site, then there is a couple of steps that you need to pay attention to. If you want to do it on your own, then you can find our source code in GitHub. But if you want Coder to do it correctly, then the first step you need to do is to be able to contact us. What we'll do, we'll examine your need and be able to configure the API on your end. We'll then automate this by scheduling it for publication at a specified time and date. So thanks for watching this. And if you have any question, please reach us at this email and this number. Happy New Year once more. I will see you next week for the next topic.